This is my message to the world from my broken soul. We keep walking down the road. They killed our mothers, fathers, and our sons. We are light, we are the lights of the world. We come from the land of the rising sun. Every single day we keep rising up. No matter what they do, we are never giving up. This is my message to the world. Embrace Biafra, embrace redemption. We shall win in the end. This is my message to the world. Embrace our freedom, embrace our victory. We shall win in the end. We are stars, we are the greatest stars. No matter where we go, we rise to the sky. All around the world, we see greatness in the sight. Every day and night, we struggle for our lives. We are one, we are the chosen ones. Chukwokike is the one to give us victory. Bring us back to the land flowing with milk and honey, breaking all the chains and pain of slavery. This is my message to the world. Embrace Biafra, embrace redemption. We shall win in the